See there. All done.
What's that? Is that your lunch?
Yes.
For
It's
school?
all my carrots. I like carrots
You do.
and grapes.
Is that for your school lunch? What else did you make?
Ta-da!
What's in that? Carrots and grapes?
No.
Good.
See there.
What are you going to make? See if you can do a flower.
Oh, I don't know. Kids at this point, but
Check.
What did she really say?
No.
Sex. What are you doing? Sex. Sex.
No, what?
What are you doing? Huh? Sorry? Do it, Sorry. Sorry. Sex. Bye-bye. Bye.
Today is your first day of prep school? What did you do in school?
We draw and then we was singing a story.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. What else?
Then
Did you have friends?
yes, and then we played ball.
Soccer ball?
And then the hulas, and then the doggy. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then mom. 4 minutes.
Wait, up.
And then we played soccer ball still, and duck duck goose and doggy. And then we go to the other classroom, the top one with steps. Then
And you draw plenty?
yep, and we made made some jackets. Remember those orange suit?
Mm.
And our teacher, Mr. Money, wearing the orange suit, and then we color up. We color it
Mm.
in the paper, and then I forgot. We made an orange hair. Then I made a pink ear and a pink ear, and then I made the shoes red, and then I made the pants black.
All right. Zach's
And
turn.
then I made all the arms and skin and legs and faces all brown, and then the hair was yellow, and it's a boy.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Bertie? Okay, Zach's turn. What did you do in school today, Zach?
Crowns and classes like and
Louder.
for that.
Yeah.
Lettuce.
What else?
Got our names. I got long to the wall.
Did you play?
It was too windy outside, and I was crying, and I want to go home.
And that's all. Did you find?
And then it was too windy to play, and then we were playing in the wind. Very hard. It's a storybook.
Did you run? Did you draw?
That's it. Book.
You have fun?
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, Mom. I'm not in the wind.
So how old are you?
4, Zoe 6. On 6 now.
You're 6 now. So you're in grade prep. Are you in grade prep? What grade are you, Zoe? Grade?
Great.
Grade prep.
We have no